Is your computer running slower than a snail in molasses? I feel you. But what if I told you there is a super simple trick that can give it a little boost? And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard to do it. First, press the Windows logo key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. A little box called Run will pop up. In that box, type MSCONFIG and hit Enter. Now, a new window will appear. Go to the Boot tab at the top. Under that, click on Advanced Options. See where it says Number of Processors. Check that box and, from the drop-down menu, select the highest number you see. This tells your PC to use all its brain power when it starts up. Click OK, then Apply, and finally, OK again. Your computer will ask to restart. Let it do its thing, and when it boots back up, you should notice it's a bit snappier. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.